To take a screenshot on an iPad, all you need to do is press the top button and the top volume button together like that, or the top button and the bottom volume button together like that. That'll give you a thumbnail version of the screenshot down here in the lower left corner, and if you tap on that, it opens up the screenshot editor. And if you tap this check mark over here, you can save to your photos or choose to actually delete the screenshot from there. So if you'd prefer the screenshot to open up in the screenshot editor instead of going to the lower left corner as a thumbnail size version, you can go into your settings and then scroll down and tap screen capture. And if you just toggle this full screen preview on, now you can go and take a screenshot and you'll see that it opens up right in the editor instead of going to the lower left corner, and I can work with it immediately. If you want to use the keyboard to take a screenshot, you can press Command+Shift+3 and that will take a screenshot, or Command+Shift+4. That also will take a screenshot. If you have an iPad that has a home button, you just press the top button and home button at the same time and that will take a screenshot. You can also, hey Siri, take a screenshot. And you can take a screenshot that way as well. You can also use AssistiveTouch to take screenshots. So if you go into settings, go to accessibility, scroll down and tap touch, and then I'm going to turn AssistiveTouch on. And this one here that says double tap, I'm gonna go ahead and come down and choose screenshot if you just select that. Now I can close out of this, and with AssistiveTouch here, if I just double tap, that will also take a screenshot. So I don't currently have the Apple Pencil, but if you have the Apple Pencil and you like using it, you can actually use the Apple Pencil and swipe up diagonally from either corner at the bottom of the screen, and that will get you into the screenshot editor as well. And that's all I had for you in this video. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up button, share the video, subscribe if you want, and I'll see you guys in the next one.